This video got thousands of views in just a few days, but another one barely made it past 100. So, what made the difference? Both videos were made by me. Same amount of time, effort, and attention. The topics were pretty similar, and the quality was basically the same. The biggest thing that made a difference between these two videos was how I uploaded and optimized them for YouTube's algorithm. That's it. Just one shift, and everything changed. It showed me that small tweaks can lead to big results. And if it worked for me, it can absolutely work for you too. So, in this video, I want to go over 6 simple but really important mistakes that a lot of creators make when uploading their videos. The first mistake is posting and ghosting. This is the big mistake for small channels. YouTube doesn't just care about what you upload, it cares about what you do after you upload. If you post a video and immediately close the app, YouTube sees it as inactivity. No engagement, no presence. That's a red flag to the algorithm. Instead, here's what you should do. Watch your full video after uploading. That helps boost retention. Leave a pinned comment that sparks conversation. Like and reply to early comments. Stick around and engage with other creators. This shows YouTube you're active, involved, and part of the community. And creators who contribute always get rewarded with more reach. The mistake number 2 is not optimizing your videos. Properly uploading a video is not enough. If you don't provide YouTube with clear information about what your video is and who it's intended for, the algorithm won't be able to recommend it effectively. Here's what you need to optimize. Rename your video file before uploading and write a clickable, keyword-rich title. Add a detailed description with relevant keywords and proper tags. Use attractive and easy-to-read thumbnails. Include 3 to 5 hashtags related to your content. These simple steps help YouTube quickly find the right audience for your video and boost your views. Mistake number 3 is that your channel isn't verified. Many small creators overlook the importance of verifying their YouTube channel. But verification is not just for big creators. It's essential for everyone who wants their videos to reach the right audience. To check your verification status, go to YouTube, verify. If your channel isn't verified yet, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. So, why is this important to verify your channel? If your channel isn't phone verified, YouTube might treat your account as suspicious or even as a bot. This can seriously limit your channel's growth because you won't be able to upload custom thumbnails, which are critical for attracting clicks. Your videos are less likely to be recommended to viewers who would actually enjoy your content. And your overall visibility on the platform will be reduced. And the good news is that verifying your channel is quick and easy. It only takes about 1 minute. By simply verifying your channel with your phone number, you signal to YouTube that you are a real creator, which can dramatically improve how your videos are treated and promoted. Mistake number 4 is that you're using a fresh channel without warming it up. When you create a brand new YouTube channel and start uploading videos immediately, especially multiple videos in a short time, your channel may be flagged as suspicious by YouTube's algorithm. This is because new accounts with no prior activity can appear like spam or bots, which limits how much YouTube promotes your content. So, to avoid that, you need to warm up your channel before you start uploading videos. Customize your channel profile by adding a clear profile picture, preferably your face, a professional banner, and a detailed description about your content and goals. Engage with the YouTube community by liking videos, leaving genuine comments, and watching other creators' content regularly. Fill out your channel settings, including channel tags, country, language, and upload defaults like video, privacy, and category. Doing these things shows YouTube that you're a real active creator who's committed to the platform. The more authentic and human your account looks, the more YouTube will trust you and recommend your videos to the right audience. Warming up your channel first might take a few days or weeks, but it's a crucial step that can dramatically improve your chances of success on YouTube. Mistake number 5 is using AI-generated or copied content. Low-effort AI voiceovers, copied video ideas, and robotic delivery won't get you far on YouTube. The platform's detection systems are very sophisticated and can easily identify content that lacks originality or authenticity. Content that feels recycled or overly automated tends to get less promotion and engagement. What works instead? Use your own voice or speak naturally to connect with your audience. Share personal insights, stories, or unique experiences that only you can provide. Don't just copy content. Aim is to teach, inspire, or entertain in a way that's uniquely yours. Audiences quickly recognize genuine content, and so does YouTube. Originality and authenticity are key to building lasting growth and success on the platform. Mistake number 6 is that you're uploading too much, too fast. Uploading too often, especially on a new channel, can backfire. YouTube needs time to analyze and promote each video. The best rhythm for small channels? One high-quality video or short per day. Let each video breathe for at least 24 hours. Focus on thumbnails, titles, and performance instead of just volume. Let the algorithm work with you, not against you. In conclusion, if you're uploading regularly but still not growing, the problem might not be your content. It could be how you're uploading. Be active after posting. Optimize every upload. Verify your channel. Warm up new accounts. Don't copy. Create, upload smart. Not just often fix these, and you'll start seeing your views and subscribers climb. Let me know in the comments, which mistake have you made before? And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll be sharing more strategies that actually help small creators grow.